so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Alright, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, here we are with another video for y'all. And today what we're going to be discussing and what we're going to be revealing is the Jordan Bred 4s. They have just came out recently, about maybe a week or two ago. And I'm super pumped that I actually got this pair because I knew the quality on it and the way it'd been looking in pictures and on feet and in person. They just look flawless. So we're just gonna dive into this right now actually. So what I have over here is the Jordan 4 box. Has your Jumpman, it says Flight on it as well. And size 9.5, all that shebang. And the retail price for these was $200. So back then, I think in 16 and 17, when Jordans were like almost at their peak, they were retailing for $220. And the fact that you can actually get a Jordan 4 for only $200 amazes me. I pulled the trigger on it and I was like, yo, why not cop a pair? I would double up on these, but I think one's good for now, but I am still considering doubling up on these because these are such a great made shoe. Mike, how do you like Jordan 4s but not the Jordan 3s? And I'm gonna explain that later when I get into this real fast, so let's actually do this right now. Let's get into this. So like I said, you have your box right here, Jordan Jumpman Flight, red on the inside. You already know what the whole thing is. Black paper. And then you have your Jordan 4 right there. Yes, right here is your standard Jordan 4. Doesn't look any different from 2013, 2008, 1989, so on and so forth. But what I can say from the original pair is that it doesn't have the white outlining on it, but it is what it is. I think it makes it look kind of sleeker that it's all black. It makes it look kind of cleaner and just remodeled and stuff. So, I mean, if you do want to have that vintage vibe, it's all good. You can always paint like the outline of the shoe white and everything. I think Fomer Simpson did a video on that and it's super dope. You probably should go check it out. But yes, this is the Jordan 4. Let me get y'all a closer look at it real fast. Bam, Nike Air on the back, Jordan Flight on the tongue, and it has your Nike Air tag on it right here. I guess you could say it's kind of cheap looking, but honestly, I think it looks super dope. It looks super clean. Hey, could go on a keychain or leave it on the shoe, whatever y'all want to do. But yes, this is the Bred 4, and you got your standard nubuck on the base of the shoe, basically the whole base of the shoe, and then you have the shoe eyelets right here and everything. Your four eyelets, super dope. I like the way it looks. The sole still looks the same as always. You have the Nike right here, got the red bottoms, gray and everything, and then red on the toe area. So these look amazing in person. Like, I was having doubts about these because the way they have been making shoes, Jordans in particular, weren't the best of qualities, but the OG pairs that they're remaking are actually really good qualities. I know the Jordan 6 that I have, the infrared was super dope quality, and these ones might take the cake right here. Like, honestly, I'm gonna say it right now, might be top 5 shoe of 2019. This right here, because this is so well made. And it just looks amazing, no flaws on it whatsoever, and I just love this model shoe. Now let me get into why I don't like necessarily the sole part of the Jordan 4s or 3s or 5s or whatever. These do tend to crack over time, about maybe a year's span, so it is what it is. That's the main reason why I don't like Jordan 3s or 4s or 5s, because they do crack around the sole area and they do get worn out. I just like the base of the 4 shoe. It looks super clean, super dope. This can go with multiple outfits, like, bro, like flex on them real fast for the gram, you know what I mean? You got your air bubbles right here, here. Super clean, I like that. And yeah, this is a dope shoe. Does come with your black laces only, so if you want to lace swap them, go ahead, but I would prefer having the black laces on these. Yeah, I had to take off the stuff from the inside so you guys can get a good look at the sole area. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has Nike Air on it. And as well as the tongue area, you know, it has Air Jordan. Just let y'all see that. Yeah, Air Jordan. And like I said, attention to little details like that makes me just so happy, because it's just like, yo, they really spent time on the shoe. That's pretty much all I have to say about this shoe. I mean, there's nothing really much to go into besides the fact that it is a Jordan 4, one of the greatest model shoes and one of the greatest colorways. So yeah, that basically sums up my video. I know it's a super quick, short one, but like I said, it is a good shoe and there's not really much to say about it. It's a Jordan 4 Bred, bro. Like, the name itself already explains everything. So if you do like these kind of videos, make sure you go drop a like on the bottom of the screen, and also subscribe to me for more content as well. I will be making more videos pretty soon. Semester's almost ending, so I'm gonna just bust these out real fast, and I'm trying really hard on these O3 videos as well. And make sure you guys go subscribe to the team. I'll leave a link down below in the description as always. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Nah, I be fucking with these bitches like they hypoallergenic. Women are from Venus, caught in love, playing tennis. Some girls out of LeBron James are playing mind games and switch they home team up every single time they mind change. Don't play no games with hoes, I play Nintendo DS, nigga. Pray I don't see the end of my paper like PS, nigga. But damn, in high school you had the fattest ass, and now we out of high school, you got a fatter ass. Swear I was just up on your Instagram a day or two ago. See your ass in deja vu, that shit was deja vu, I know. Reminiscing on the one time we smashed in the back of the whip and you gave me that hit. I swear to God, that's the best night of my life. I can't even sit here in front of the line and pretend. Dancing with your titties out, I know at first it was a little bit embarrassing, yeah. But 5 minutes later, you on my lap and we just kicking it like we the only ones here. And you're telling me how you went since I was school, down at TSU. But you know business majors, you can't even get a job when you're coming up right out of school. So I'm told to check the valley, seems like out there they be hiring it. LA where all the girls that look like you are aspiring. The new scenery might just be inspiring. She said, man, everything ain't for everybody.
Okay, I came up a little change, body change up a little fame, body famous, cause days now I'm dangerous, getting high, I'm just flying, I lay low, cause you won't fade us, still living how I'm living, I need to, still feel like I deserve me, I feel like I deserve me.
I just wanna bop that beat, hop up in the Jeep, put a little bitch in drive, fuck my 9 to 5, disappear for weeks, wash up on the beach, might catch a little sunrise, caught me by surprise, waterfalls make me weak.